Hi, YouTube. It's me again. This here with an update on the Commodore 64. Unfortunately, doesn't work. I said it most likely would work, but it doesn't. And I'll show you why. I'll show you what happens if you use it. First of all, you need that Super Expander cartridge in it for this to even work. And just gonna turn on the computer. And that happens. Yes, I know the scrolling bars across the screen. Those are always show up when you point a camera at a CRT because the frame rate on camera can catch the refresh, but it's not visible in real life. That happens a lot, and let's see if I can get it to work. Yeah, that shows up some other times. Or in 0. That means that there's actually an error with the RAM RAM in it. Which is unfortunate, because all the RAM is soldered directly in to the board and I don't know what I'm gonna do for now. There was a problem originally with the keyboard not working right. I took it apart and I put it back together. It fixed itself, so I don't know if it's just the previous owner took it apart and just put the keyboard connector back in correctly, or what, but keyboard works now. Like, before, maybe not. I spoke too soon. Yeah. Oh, that I had the shift lock put down. So yeah, before I'm pressing the O key. Before it used to put to be a Q, and the Q was a Q. All K's were messed up before, but they aren't now. so that I fixed. But if you stuff happens, doesn't work. So have to fix that. Possibly can fix it by just replacing some of RAM chips. If not, I may have to replace a whole logic board. Be a pain in the butt, but that happens. Yes, it's sitting on top of an apple. It's an iBook G4. I upgraded the hard drive to 80 gigabytes because I got a spare 80 gigabyte drive. Now I have Linux on it, as well as OS 10. I might show that to people in the future. It's all on top of my main desktop. Then E-Machines computer. Really good computer. Hasn't given me any problems. And the best part, move this stuff so you can see has a Savers price tag on it. Yes, I bought it at Savers for $4.99. Plus, so Massachusetts sales tax. Yeah, I'm from Massachusetts. But, yeah. Unfortunate thing, I have to keep the side case off because it runs too hot. To keep it open. But it's a Pentium 4 computer. Runs really good. I'll even show you this. Yeah, do this one.
Can a car be crafted instead of produced? Designed with attention?
I've had many requests over the last
It can play high def.
On September 19th, we gave Allison Leong a new piano teaching system.
Yeah, it does go. It does. It's better than 480.
1 month later, she performed a miracle.
If I do well at the concert, then I will be really embarrassed.
But it's capable of doing 720p.
Coincidence would have it, I was at an estate sale in Flower Mound, Texas, when I came across one being sold for $25.
Yes, I watch his videos.
So
Hey,
I did get the manuals
8-bit
and
guy.
the original floppy disk.
This is another general
720
8-bit keys
gives you an idea of how old this is.
apparently very few people know about, according to him.
Alternatively, you can see it would run on everything
So,
from a Nintendo
oh,
to an Amiga. Unfortunately,
this video is approaching,
so I had no power cable or interface
like,
cable.
getting close to 10
So let's
minutes.
take a look at what condition
So,
it's in. The
yeah,
sticker
I
says
will.
$50, but it was actually half off because it was the last
I
time
will
the condition
say
doesn't look too bad
say
on the
goodbye.
but
Okay,
it was
goodbye for now.
These were yellowed.
Hopefully I
On
can
the
fix the
back,
Commodore
it has
64.
web ports and a special
And
called the Miracle port. This is where it would connect to your game consoles and stuff. I noticed it used 12 volts AC, so my Nintendo power supply would work with it. I also picked up this Casio SE9 for $2 at the same location. It's in pretty rotten condition.
so, yeah, I'm gonna good mom. I'm gonna signing off. I'm gonna sign off for now, and hopefully next time I make a video, it will be because I've fixed the Commodore 64. If not, oh well. It's a very expensive paperweight. But, you buy used stuff. It's always a risk you. This is always the risk you have to take. Sometimes stuff works. Sometimes like this, my desktop works. And you know, I also got this monitor at Savers too for $2.99. Unfortunately, doesn't have a power supply, but my own monitor power supply works fine. This one also Savers $7.99. Or was it $6? It was either $6 or $7.99. It's an HP built-in sound with a soundbar. Has its own built-in power supply, so you only need the three-pin power cord that pretty much all power supplies use. That I got for free at a flea market in Cambridge for electronics stuff. And the third Sunday in every month from April to October, there's a thing called Swap Fest at MIT in the parking lot. And that's one of the things I got for free. I also got a brand new inbox CD drive flat. I still don't know what I'm gonna use for. I'll figure out. And I got a lot of really cool stuff. The keyboard I got from Savers, but the power book on top that you can kind of see on the keyboard, and the D3, I got both of them for $25 there. The MIT flea market. I go with my dad almost every month. Find cool stuff. A lot of times I'm carrying stuff out when he's not. But works. Also, so I said this before, but I am finally signing off because this video is getting long. So I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Possibly. If you want to. I'm not saying you have to. Just please consider subscribing. Okay, so we're now just over the 12-minute mark. So I will say goodbye. I will say see you next time.